action. Now we are going to manipulate it even more. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to first scrap D. Now we've kept C plus C inside D, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make D equal to A. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make C equal to 1, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make B equal to B plus A, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this special string called as B plus equal to A. Okay, now tell me what will the output be? Yeah, any guesses? I'll give you one clue. You in this you know everything. You just don't know one thing. You don't know what B plus equal to A is, right? If you know that, you'll be able to say the answer. No, who all are saying if I know what this is, I'll be able to say the answer? Raise your hand. Okay, 2 of you are here. This means usually what equal to will do, it will destroy whatever is already inside and it will put something else new. What plus equal to will do is it won't destroy what's inside. Let's assume inside B high is there. It won't delete that high. It will just additionally add whatever A has. Let's say A has hello. If you put B equal to hello, B will lose its high and B will have hello now, right? But if you're going to have it like B plus equal to A, it's going to have high hello. That high will not be destroyed. At the back of high, hello will be added. Now can you tell me what the answer will be? Same, T, A and P. That's what I'm going to give. Actually, there's nothing called as A. So we have to change this to a B. I am very sorry for the mistake that I've done. Yeah, come on, tell me. What is going to end with? 1. Is everyone agreeing with them? It's going to end with 1?
So 1 high.
1
high.
1
high.
1 high. Okay. Anything else? Yashwant?
Sir, maybe 1.
High.
Okay, so I'll say
Sir,
what it's going to be. Let's see if my thing is right. I don't know whether you all guessed right or no. Okay, you did something and all no. You tell me what your answer is going to be. Come on, try.
So it's still confusing me. I didn't get any.
You give me that confusing answer. That's what I want.
So the D value is confusing me. The string D is equal to C plus D. D value is equal to E.
This one is also irritating.
Confusing.
Okay, so I'll just give my answer directly. My answer is P T A T A and then A and then T A high. So technically this should be wrong, right? Because it's so clear C equal to 1. Okay. Now this seems logically very wrong, right? There's no way this can happen logically. Because it's so clear C equal to 1, which means it should end with 1. But why do you think I gave this answer? First, let's run and see if this is the real answer. Okay, remember this. P T A T A A T A H I. That's my answer. Okay, just remember that. Okay, there's some semicolon missing. I'll put a semicolon here. You all can remember it, no? My first input is TA and my next input is P. Okay, shall we give enter? 3, 2, 1, go. P T A T A A T A high.
Yes, sir.
It's exactly what he said, right? You remember? Okay, so do you want to know how this came?
Yes.
There's only one good way, output tracing, and we're going to do it. Process. So this is our RAM, and we have some place to work around, and then you have your console log. Okay. So first, you're gonna have Abhi with the reach string. What did we enter inside Abhi? So there's a TA inside Abhi. And then what did we have inside B?
P.
We have a P inside B. And then we have a C. C equal to high.
High.
So there'll be high inside C. That's it. There's nothing else inside. And then we have another D.
Yeah.
Inside that you have C plus C. C plus C is high high. You know it from the last episode. So there's high and then high. After this you have D equal to A, which means there's only one equal to here, which means destroy whatever is there inside D and then put a inside. So what's inside D now? A. So only that much is inside D. Is it out clear now?
Yes.
Now you have B equal to B plus Abhi. Okay. B equal to, which means you're going to destroy it later on. What is inside B as of now? There's a P. And then what is inside Abhi? TA. So PTA should go inside B. So whatever is inside P, B destroy it and then put PTA. So did you understand what equal to will do? It will destroy whatever is inside. You got it right? And then it's going to put back. We can use B inside B itself. First only this will get executed. It will take what's inside B. It will take what's inside Abhi. It's going to combine it. You have PTA. Now this PTA will go inside B, which means P will get destroyed and PTA will go. Got it?
Yes.
This is how computer works. And then you have B plus equal to Abhi. That means whatever is inside will stay inside. Okay. To it additionally we'll add what's inside Abhi. What's inside Abhi? TA. We'll just add it. That is the meaning of plus equal to. Plus equal to will not destroy it. Instead it will just add it at the end. Did you understand this also? Now you will have, that is why you have PTA, TA. There's enter here, so it'll just come in new lines. Okay, so don't be worried about it. And then yeah, we completed till this line. Now we have this line which is for the microcontroller. We are not going to worry about that. And we have this line. Now you have B. What's inside B? P, TA, TA. That's all you have inside B. And then you have A. Inside A, what do you have?
D.
Sorry, inside D, what do you have? A. You're going to put A. After that, you have Abhi. What's inside Abhi? TA. So you have TA. Here, there's no new line. You did not give enter. But here, all you gave enter, right? After this, you gave enter. After this, you gave enter. So there'll be enter after each one of this. And then you have C. What's inside C? High. Now your code did not stop. You have completed till here. You still have this line to do. Now you will go and update C as 1. Now what is inside C? 1. But now you are not asking it to print. No. You printed it first. After that only you change the value. Which means actually inside the RAM now C will have 1 as its value. No doubt. If you have one more CL here and then if you have C, it's going to print 1 now. But then the problem is you printed before you change the value. So at that time what the value was, it's going to print that only. Computer has 0 IQ. Computer has 0 brains. So it's not going to predict what you're going to do. It's going to just do it line by line. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. And it's just going to do it in that order. So it printed, after that it changed the value. That's it. You told to change the value, change the value. If you ask it to print, it will print. Doesn't mean just because it changed the value, it will print. Got it?
Yes.
So that's all for you guys. Now you got to know, right, how this came. Any doubts now?
No, sir.
Don't be worried, just practice this question at least 2 to 3 times, okay? You're going to be very clear with how programming works when you keep outputting it. Just do whatever I did here repeatedly on paper when you're at home. When you're here, you can work it out on a computer, put it on microcontroller, run it, you can do all those things. Yeah?